In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Hootsuite Streams for social monitoring. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clear, real-time dashboard for your social profiles and take action without leaving the page. First, open Hootsuite and head to the Stream section. This is your command center, a place where you can see posts, mentions, messages, and activity all in one view. If you don't land there automatically, look for Streams in the main navigation and click it. Give the page a second to load, especially if your team manages a lot of channels. Next, choose the social profile you want to monitor. Use the profile picker to select the account or network you care about right now, like your primary brand profile. If you manage several, start with the one that gets the most engagement so your streams show the most actionable content right away. Now add a stream for the type of content you want to track. Click Add Stream, pick the network, and choose what you need. Posts to see your own content, mentions to catch when people talk about you, messages to track DMs and inbox items, keywords to follow topics or phrases, or activity to keep an eye on follows and other account events. Keep your first set focused so the view stays clear, then add more as needed. Organize your streams into boards to keep everything tidy. Think of boards like folders or dashboards. Create a board for a campaign, a specific platform, or a client. Name it clearly and drag streams to reorder them so the most important ones sit at the top. This structure makes it easy to switch context during a busy day. Use the streams to monitor engagement and updates in real time. Scan for spikes in activity, filter by time or keyword to cut through noise, and open posts to see full context before responding. If you're juggling multiple tabs, collapse less used streams so the essentials stay front and center. When you're ready to act, reply, like, assign, or manage content directly from the stream. Click into a post or message to respond publicly or privately, like or acknowledge comments to keep the conversation warm, and use Assign to route important items to a teammate with notes and a due date. You can categorize or resolve items as you go so nothing slips through the cracks. That's it. Your streamlined Hootsuite monitoring setup is ready to go. Keep refining your boards and streams as your priorities evolve, and you'll stay on top of every conversation that matters.